Hi everyone, welcome to Sunday Funday. This challenge is being hosted by Deco Easy. A special thanks to Johnny, Diane, and Yvonne for hosting this monthly challenge. Today I will be sharing with you how I take an old broken vase and restore it. I am Gigi Faces. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, then you already know that you're welcomed, loved, and appreciated. Thank you. So here you guys, this is the vase that I have. I've had it for several years. I went to put it away and somehow hit something and broke the base of it. And I was going to toss it out, but it was so beautiful to me. My husband said, "Babe, can't you repair this or do something with it?" I wasn't for sure, so I just allowed it to sit in the garage for a couple of years. And as I was walking through the garage the other day, it hit me. File down the broken part, add some Mod Podge, and see if you can restore it. So you guys, that is exactly what I have done. I took I used some sandpaper to actually file the glass part that was broken down to get it into a smooth and soft, not necessarily soft, but a smoother position. If you can see here how it's jagged and broken. Well, this is the part that I'm going to file down. And those little tea light candle holders that they sell at the Dollar Tree that come in, like, I think 2 or 3 different sizes, and they are of that amber color. That's what I'm going to use to repair this glass. Now right here I'm pointing out to you there's also a hairline fracture also there. So I'm going to use the decoupage to put to it in hopes that it will stop the run of the crack. I know a lot of times if you have a broken windshield, that's what they'll do. They'll come out with a little speck of type of glue into it to keep it from spreading. So that's what I'm going to do with this vase here, and you guys will see the end results. So these are 2 different shapes, but shades of color. There are 2. One is lighter than the other 2. So this is the one that I am going to choose to use, this one here. I think it's more of the shade that's in the vase itself. So I'm going to take it, add some, what is it, E3000 glue to it once I file it down, and see if I can restore this vase. So here, this is the decoupage that I am using here, and it does say that it is a sealer and that it will also work on glass. So we're going to see. So what I'm using to repair this is my some decoupage. I have my vase, I have my little tea light candle holders, and I also have some sandpaper, some sandpaper to sand the glass down and get it smooth. So those are the items that I'm using. I don't know what I did with the sandpaper, you guys, right here, but you will see me filing it down. And I don't know what grit the sandpaper is. I just went into my husband's little stash and I pulled it out. Now here what I'm doing is I'm applying the decoupage first, because I don't want, when I start to sand it down, I don't want that crack to continue to crack. I know the normal way should probably be to sand it down first, and then decoupage, but because I'm dealing with that fracture, I want to go ahead and see if I can mend it and keep it from continuing to spread. So I'm going to add my little decorative sprinkles onto it here, just to give it a more glamorous or more elegant feel, and also to seal up the cracks and just give it a different look. So here I'm sharing with you the sandpaper that I am using. I do apologize for the noise, but this is what I'm doing to try to smooth the edges down. So here you guys, this is me showing you what I've done thus far by using the grit paper, sanding it down, and just continuing to work on it. I'll be able to clean off the dust because I think it had dried well enough with the decoupage that I can remove the dust from the sanding. So no worries. Okay, you guys, this is the reveal of the vase. I will give you a close-up look of what it looked like once it's all done, but here I'm showing you how I have it decorated on a console table. Now, if you're new to my channel and you have enjoyed what I have shared with you today, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload here. Also, you guys, in my description box below is the link to Janie and Diane's channel. Please go over and visit them. They are Deco Easy, as well as Ginger Chick Rehab Yvonne. All of their information will be in my description box below. Please go over and pay them a visit. Let them know that Gigi Faison sent you there. You will be amazed at some of the things that they create and recreate on their channels. And again, thanks to Jenny and Diane, and also to Yvonne for hosting this monthly. This is a challenging one which I was able to participate in. So again, thanks you guys. Thank you all so much. Please leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think of my work.